Guolin Technology Group was established in 1994, which is a professional ozone technology company engaged in ozone generation mechanism research, ozone equipment design and manufacture, ozone application engineering design, installation, commissioning, operation, and maintenance. Guolin Technology perseveres in independent research and development of core technologies and has successfully achieved the capability of making core components. With more than 30 years of efforts, it has conquered the manufacturing technologies of tube-type ozone generators, plate-type ozone generators, and electrolyzed water ozone generators. Guolin Technology has successfully broken through the manufacturing technology of a series of ozone generators from 1 kilogram ozone per hour to 10 kilograms ozone per hour, 100 kilograms ozone per hour, and 500 kilograms ozone per hour. Its products widely used in municipal water, wastewater, industry sewage, flue gas denitrification, chemical oxidation, petroleum, semiconductor, medical, agriculture, and other fields. Guolin Technology focuses on the manufacturing ozone system equipment and devotes itself to becoming a professional supplier of ozone system. It has a professional production base covering a field of more than 87,000 square meters and a building area of more than 90,000 square meters. As the global ozone system supplier, Guolin Technology will continue to focus on ozone technology, research, and application in the future. Guolin Technology always provides professional ozone system solutions for clients in different fields and with different needs.